Hello class 5. We are discussing our chapter number 7, that is Introduction to Microsoft Excel. And today we will discuss few more topics from this chapter, like editing a worksheet, how can we copy and move cell contents, then how to delete columns, how to delete rows, how to insert new rows, new columns and new cell. So all these we will discuss in today's class. Now we learn how to edit a worksheet. Here editing includes change, delete, move or copy the cell contents, or insert and delete rows, columns or cells, then resize rows and columns. First we will learn how to edit the cell contents. Here you can change the data entered in a cell in two ways. You can either replace the contents of a cell completely or change only a few characters in the contents. Suppose you want to edit cell content, then what will you do? First, select the cell that you want to edit. Suppose this first one, this RAM. Okay, so click here with the help of your mouse, bring the cursor here. Clear? Then type the new content. Okay, you can change name, anything. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, so like this you can change the cell contents. Now deleting the cell contents. To delete the cell contents of any cell, follow these steps. First, select cell or cells. Suppose I want to delete this one, Samir. Okay, so I have selected both serial number 7 and Samir. Suppose I will delete the marks also. Okay. Like this I have selected the last row. Press the delete key. In your keyboard you will see a delete key. Okay, this one, delete or backspace. Okay, so this you have to click. Okay, or you can select the last row. I have done redo, so here this appear again. So now I have selected this last row. After selecting the last row, this side under home tab you will get one clear option. Okay, so click on clear. So here you can delete, clear all, clear content. Okay, so there are different many options are there. I will do clear all. Okay, so here see. So like this you can delete the contents, okay, data from your table. Okay, means in cell or from a group of cell. Clear? Now we learn how to copy and move the cell contents. Again, now I will do redo. For redo, you have to click Ctrl Z. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we will move or copy cell content. Okay, suppose I want to copy the names and serial number, so I have selected it. Then on the home tab, click on home, then click the cut or copy button. Where is here? This one, no? Copy. Click on copy. Copy the item data. Then suppose I want to move these names this side. Okay, so here I will paste. Okay, so like this you can copy and paste the data from one side to another side, one page to another page. Clear? Now we see how to insert rows, columns and cells. Okay. First we will see how to insert new row or new column. So select a row or column before which you want to insert a new row or column. Suppose I want a new row before 3. Okay. This before above the Sita I need one more row. Okay, so go to home tab, click on home tab, then click on the down arrow of the insert button, here. Okay, then here there are 3 options: insert cell, insert row, insert column. I want to insert sheet rows. Okay, click on it. So here you can see we got one row before this 3 serial number. So like this you can insert row. Okay, suppose you want to insert column, then click on the cell or row where for cell you have to click on the cell before which you want to add one more cell. Suppose before serial number 4 I want one more row, then select on this cell number 4, serial number 4 cell, click on home tab, then go to insert, then insert cells, click on it. So like this you can add new cells in your column, in your table. Okay, suppose we want to add new row. Okay, suppose before SST I need a column. Okay, so for insert column, go to home tab, click on the insert button, insert sheet columns, click on it. Okay, so like this we have added one more column. Okay, so like this you can add new column in a complete table. Clear? Here, while inserting new row, new column, new cell, you will get 4 dialog box will appear. Okay, see, for example, click on insert. So here you will see this 4 dialog box. No, this first one is shift cells right. It inserts blank cell in the selected range and shifts the existing cell to the right. Okay, if you select the top one, okay, and if you want to change column, row, or this cell, okay, it will help you to insert blank cell in the selected range and shift the existing cell to the right. Okay, and the second one is shift cell downward. Suppose if you click on it, then it inserts black cells in the selected range and shifts the existing cells down. And the third one is enter. It is entire row. If you click the entire row, then it shifts the row or rows included in the selected range down and insert new rows or row. Then fourth one is entire column. If you select entire column, it shifts the column or columns included in the selected range to the right and inserts new column or columns. Okay, so this is all about this dialog box.